So, good day everyone. Today we'll be tackling all about the 10 elements of painting. So, before we start, may I introduce myself. I'm Jean Tricia P. Portuguese from BSED Filipino 1B. The 10 elements of painting are the basic components or building blocks of a painting. In Western art, there are generally considered to be color, tone, line, shape, space, and texture. In general, we tend to agree that there are 7 formal elements of art. However, in a two-dimensional medium form is draw. So, we really have 6 basic elements of painting. We can also bring 4 additional elements: composition, direction, size, and time, or movement, into the equation to round it off at an even 10 elements of painting. So we have here the color. It is arguably the most important element because it sets the tone for how viewers feels about the artwork or the work. It can, for instance, be warm and inviting or cold and stark. Either way, color can set the mood of a piece. Color is the powerful tool in art that can evoke emotional and set the atmosphere of a drawing. For example, I have two examples, the warm color and the cold color. The warm color, like red and orange, often evoke feelings of warm excitement or passion. The cold color is the blue and the green one. It tends to create a sense of calmness or tranquility. So, if the artist used this color not only to represent the reality but also to express their personal interpretation and emotional responses to subjects, the manipulation of color can enhance deep perception and draw attention to the specific areas within the compositions. So I have here example. This is the shades of the color. So the second one is the line. It is the important elements of the disposal of every artist. Through the lines of a painting or sculpture, the artist can make us know what the artwork is about. He uses lines to represent figure and form. So, from the lines are the essential of defining shapes, forms, and structures within a draw. Structures within a draw. Some of it we can use this line for outline, help delineate objects from one another, providing clarity. For expressive lines, can convey movement or emotion, like what I have here in my example. For instance, lines might be suggest chaos or tension, while smooth curves may imply softness or serenity. Lines can be thickness, texture, and direction of lines can significantly affect how viewers perceive the artwork. Lines can also guide the viewer's eye through the composition and contribute to its overall within. So I have here example. It emphasizes a person by using the lines. So that is the lines. So for my last and next slide is the tone. Tone and value are the use in interchangeably in painting. It is essentially how the light or dark a paint is when you strip away the color. Understanding how to use it can greatly affect the way your art is perceived. So, tone refers to the lightness or darkness, that's what I said, of colors used in drawing. So, some of the function of this uh, tone is the highlights and shadows. Highlights indicate where light hits an object directly. Shadows provide contrast and ground object within their environment. So, tone effective use that allows artists to create realistic representation by mimicking how light interacts with surfaces. The manipulation helps convey mood. Darker tones may evoke drama or introspection, while lighter tones can suggest openness or serenity. So, I have here another example. So, this is the tone. It depends on how you put the shadow on it on your uh, drawing that emphasize a tone. So, that's all for my topic. Thank you.